Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about how to make a child to practice the spellings. How I made my kids to practice. I basically wanted to share. Usually, I make them to sit and write the spellings with the pencils. At the end, I let them to choose their own color, their own favorite colors, and practice the spelling with that. For example, I wanted them to write one particular spelling. For example, write for 5 times, 4 times. I let them to choose. With the pencil, and for the fifth time I let them to choose their own favorite color and make them to write with that. So that what happens basically here is this they they get an interest to sit and write, and they write without any distraction. The second point, and the third point is they write it with the interest, and that will make them to learn spelling very quickly. For example, let me show you what how to do it. For example, if you want your child to learn write, here I had written, and make them to practice 4 times write with the pencil, and fifth time let them to choose their own favorite color. And for this, we have to do we have to display a little bit of we have to display colors of pencils, so that will give them the basically an attraction to work with the work with the colors. This is something that interesting point which we are adding it to the kit.